I bought mats for my car. I bought them on Amazon for around $120. Trunk mat. The trunk is pretty big. These are the front mats. This is driver side. It has a deck pedal. Let's put the front passenger side mat first. This is a simple mat I have right now. This will be replaced by this one. Perfect. Fits very well. Now let's move to the driver side mat. 2 clips and off it comes. This is the replacement for the driver side. You see this deck pedal match? And the good thing, these 2 locks slot in to the factory carpet locks. Align it well and just push it. That's it. Fits well. Deck pedal is here and it goes like this. No disturbance for your pedals. Let's add the rear mats. I'm sure because of this slot here, this is the right one and this is the left one. Let's try. It slots in perfect with this seat frame. I'm sure it's the same with the left one. So let's try this. It slots in perfectly. I have this BOS sound system subwoofer. I don't know if the mat and the rear boot will fit in. These are the safety lug nuts. I need to install these later. I like the way it fits, but there's a small problem because of my BOS subwoofer. This part doesn't fit well. I'm going to cut this from here. It's okay. I don't mind cutting the mat. This will at least give me a better sound output. Next week I'll cut this. I'll keep you guys posted.